Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So let's go ahead and try this glam soft pink makeup look. To start off, I'm gonna apply Nude 3 eyeshadow base from Danessa Myricks. This product is very good and waterproof, so I'm gonna apply using a fluffy brush all over the eyelid. And I'm gonna blend a thin coat of this product all over the eyelid. I'm gonna blend really well because this product is waterproof, and where I apply the product, it stays on for a lot of time. So I'm gonna apply the product, and to set, I'm gonna use a little bit of translucent powder to apply right on top, just to really set the eyeshadow base and to make it easy to blend the next eyeshadows that I'm gonna apply from the palette that is so pigmented. That's why this step is really important. So I always apply the eyeshadow base, and next I like to just set with a little bit of powder when I'm gonna apply eyeshadows that is so pigmented. And today I decided to go for a soft makeup look, but the colors that I'm gonna use are pigmented, so I really have to set the eyeshadow base before I apply the eyeshadows from the palette. This is Rosy Quartz from Huda Beauty. I really love the palette. So I'm gonna apply the pink shade, and this is very strong. So I decided to just set before because it makes easy to apply the eyeshadow and to blend, because if I apply the eyeshadow right on top of the concealer or eyeshadow base that I'm using here, the cream or liquid product, it's gonna be so pigmented. So I don't really want to use this effect today. So for a more soft look, I always do this step. So here I'm applying the pink shade, and next I'm gonna apply the pink shade mixed with the cool tone of a pinkish grayish tone to apply in my crease. This will be my transition shade, creating a even more soft look instead of a dark pink. That is the first shade that I applied, but in the other technique it looks so soft and really the color that I want to use for today's look. So I'm gonna apply a little bit in the crease and blend this eyeshadow really well. Next, using an angle brush and the dark gray eyeshadow, I'm gonna mix a little bit with the normal gray shade, and I'm gonna apply here in the roots of the lashes, creating a kind of angle eyeliner effect, but in a smoky way, because I really like how soft it looks. And I'm gonna apply here in the top lashes and bottom lashes. The angle brush that I'm using here is so thin and firm, so it's easy to apply the eyeshadow exactly where I want it to be. And next I just diffuse a little bit, and next I'm gonna use the lightest shade from the palette to kind of highlight the look. So I'm gonna create the cut crease shape using this eyeshadow, and also I'm gonna use the small brush that I'm using here to create the look. I'm gonna apply the same shade in the brow bone to create the highlighting effect. So I'm gonna apply a little here in the inner third of the eye to create the cut crease shape. And next, using the same eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply below the brows because I really wanna create this soft highlighting makeup look. And next, I'm gonna apply a glitter here in the eyelid. So I wet the brush a little bit using a setting spray to really draw the character shape for the eyes. And here I'm using a really small brush. Now I'm gonna change the brush, and I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadows that I used in my eyelid and outer corner in the lower lash line, just to finish the eye look. And to conclude, I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara, curl the lashes, and I'm gonna apply falsies. But if you like, you don't have to apply fake lashes, just apply lots and lots of mascara, and this look, as it is so soft, is very good. And of course, this part is optional. I'm gonna apply a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna apply a normal lash glue to stick the glitter, and I'm gonna use a little bit of glitter. I choose a white glitter because the sparkles here in this look will be amazing. to highlight the brow bone, I'm using the same light shade that I was using for my eyelid, and this is the glitter that I choose for today's look. So I'm gonna apply just a little in the inner third of the eye. Also, I apply a little bit of white eyeliner in the waterline, and this is how I conclude this makeup look. I really hope that you love it much as I do. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I see you later in the next one. Mwah.